Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create recordings on the Recorder Pro application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should go to the home page and then tap on the this recorder or this microphone icon down below. But first you need to allow the app to have access to your microphone, so tap on the microphone button, then go back to the app and click on this recorder button. As you can see, the recording has just started. If you want to pause it, tap on this button in the right side of the screen. Here you can find it, and if you go back you can also end the recording, and here you will be able to listen to it by tapping on this play button down below. You can also crop the video, and here you have a bunch of options in the recording studio section. So that's how you can start a recording, and as you go back you can see that it is saved to your phone and it appears at the home page. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.